We've come to our newest display at the Calyx, which is called In Bloom, featuring thousands of flowering plants. But also within the display you'll find many of the gems of our nursery plant collection, not normally available for the public to see. We're going to have a look at one of those plants in detail now, and it's this beautiful red flowering Anthurium which comes from Venezuela. Type of Anthurium. It's in the big family of aroids, often characterized by large heart-shaped leaves with a prominent drip tip. This plant comes from a place where the rainfall will be between 3 or 4 meters in a year. So it's got leaves in a vertical plane. They help shed that rainfall off the leaves. The plant was originally discovered in the late 19th century. So it's called Anthurium chamberlainii, or Chamberlain's Anthurium, but then it wasn't collected in the wild again until the 20th century, till the late 20th century, when a bromeliad collector collected another specimen, but we don't actually know where it was collected from. So it's still a little bit of a mystery as to where these plants grow in the wild. The original collections was from montane rainforest, so up above 1,500 meters. It has these glorious flowers emerging at the moment. So they're very characteristic of the family. They're made up of a spathe, which is a modified leaf, and it's red in this case, and it surrounds the true flower, or the true inflorescence, made up of male and female flowers, which is on the spike-like structure that we call a spadix. You can also see, when we zoom in close on the leaves, that the new leaves also emerge with a kind of reddy brown color. And that's because of the presence of pigments in the leaf called anthocyanins, and they give that distinctive red color. Now, they probably also give the plant some protection against herbivores and also insects that want to eat the leaves, so they're less desirable in the red color. And there's also been some research to show that the red in new foliage of plants also provides a kind of natural sun protection. So this plant also grows as an epiphyte, so we'll zoom in on the stem and you can see those roots coming out of the stem. So they help attach the plant to its host tree in its natural environment. Come in and have a look at it. You'll see many other gems of our Botanic Gardens nursery collection here at the In Bloom display.